Welcome to the channel Dynamax Global. Artificial intelligence, AI, has become the defining technology of the 21st century, transforming industries, economies, and societies. In this rapidly evolving landscape, India has positioned itself as a significant player in the global AI revolution. From its vibrant startup ecosystem to its government-backed AI policies, India is leveraging its unique strengths to lead innovation and adoption across diverse sectors. This essay explores how India is spearheading the AI revolution in 2024-2025, highlighting its strategies, key achievements, challenges, and potential for the future. The foundations of India's AI leadership. India's emergence as a global AI hub is the result of a confluence of strategic factors. Demographic advantage. With over 1.4 billion people, India boasts a vast and youthful population that is highly skilled in technology. Each year, India produces approximately 1.5 million engineers, many of whom specialize in AI and machine learning. Milliliter. This pool of talent is fueling innovation and ensuring a steady supply of professionals to meet global demands. Digital transformation. Initiatives such as Digital India and Startup India have accelerated the adoption of technology across the country. The integration of AI in areas such as banking, healthcare, agriculture, and education is creating a data-rich environment essential for training AI systems. Economic growth and tech investments. As one of the fastest-growing economies, India has seen significant investments in AI research and development. Global tech giants like Google, Microsoft, and Amazon are setting up AI research centers in India, while domestic startups are attracting venture capital for AI-driven solutions. Government policies and support. The Indian government has launched several initiatives to support AI development, such as the National AI Strategy and the National Artificial Intelligence Mission, (NAIM). These programs aim to integrate AI into governance, promote ethical AI development, and ensure the equitable distribution of AI's benefits. Key areas where India is leading in AI. India's AI revolution is marked by advancements in several critical sectors. 1. Healthcare innovation. India is leveraging AI to tackle the nation's pressing healthcare challenges, such as the shortage of medical professionals and the need for affordable care. AI-powered diagnostic tools, like Nirmai's breast cancer detection platform and Kure.ai's radiology solutions, are transforming early diagnosis and treatment accessibility. Telemedicine platforms augmented by AI are improving healthcare delivery in remote regions. 2. Agriculture and rural development. AI is revolutionizing Indian agriculture by enabling precision farming, crop monitoring, and predictive analytics. Companies like Cropin are helping farmers optimize resource usage, improve yields, and reduce environmental impact. AI-powered platforms are also disseminating weather forecasts and pest management techniques, benefiting small-scale farmers. 3. Education and skilling. AI is personalizing education through platforms like Byju's and Vedantu, which use algorithms to analyze student performance and tailor learning experiences. The government's Skill India initiative is incorporating AI-driven programs to upskill workers and prepare them for the AI-driven economy. 4. Smart cities and infrastructure. India's urban centers are adopting AI for traffic management, waste management, and public safety. Cities like Bengaluru and Pune are using AI-powered surveillance systems to monitor traffic congestion and enhance law enforcement. AI is also playing a pivotal role in energy efficiency and urban planning under the Smart Cities mission. 5. Financial technology, FinTech. India's FinTech revolution is heavily supported by AI. Platforms like Paytm, Razorpay, and PhonePe are using AI for fraud detection, credit scoring, and customer personalization. The integration of AI in the Unified Payments Interface (UPI) system has made financial transactions seamless and secure for millions of users. 6. Governance and public services. AI is improving governance by enabling efficient delivery of public services. Chatbots powered by AI are addressing citizen grievances, while data-driven insights are helping policymakers make informed decisions. AI tools are also being used for tracking welfare programs and detecting fraud in government schemes. 7. Space exploration and research. India's space agency, ISRO, is using AI for satellite data analysis, mission planning, and autonomous systems. These innovations are not only advancing space exploration but also supporting disaster management and agricultural monitoring on Earth. Global collaborations and leadership. India's role in the global AI landscape extends beyond its borders. Partnerships with global tech giants. Companies like Google, Microsoft, and Nvidia are collaborating with Indian institutions to advance AI research. For instance, Microsoft's AI for Good initiative is working with Indian NGOs to solve societal challenges using AI. Exporting talent and solutions. Indian AI professionals are leading innovations globally, with many heading AI divisions in top multinational corporations. Indian startups are also providing AI solutions to clients worldwide, showcasing the country's ability to compete on a global scale. Leadership in ethical AI development. India is advocating for inclusive and ethical AI development, focusing on reducing biases in AI algorithms and ensuring fair access to AI technologies. The country's participation in global forums, such as the Global Partnership on AI, GPAI, highlights its commitment to shaping the future of AI responsibly. Challenges India must address. Despite its progress, India faces challenges in sustaining its leadership in AI. Infrastructure gaps. While urban areas are thriving, rural regions lack the digital infrastructure needed to support AI adoption. Bridging this divide is essential for inclusive growth. Data privacy and security. As AI systems process massive amounts of data, ensuring data privacy and security has become a critical concern. The implementation of comprehensive data protection laws is necessary. Skilling the workforce. While India produces a large number of engineers, there is a gap in advanced AI and millimeter expertise. Continuous upskilling programs are needed to maintain a competitive edge. Ethical and regulatory challenges. Developing frameworks to address ethical concerns, such as algorithmic biases and job displacement, is crucial for sustainable AI adoption. The road ahead. India's vision for AI. India's AI roadmap for 2024-2025 focuses on fostering innovation, strengthening infrastructure, and addressing societal challenges. Key areas of focus include investment in research and development, R&D, increasing funding for AI research in academic institutions and industries will spur groundbreaking innovations. Inclusive AI adoption. Programs to bring AI benefits to rural areas, small businesses, and underserved communities will ensure equitable growth. Global leadership in AI ethics. India aims to lead global discussions on ethical AI practices, ensuring responsible development and deployment. Promoting AI for social good. Leveraging AI to solve societal issues, such as poverty, healthcare access, and climate change, will position India as a leader in AI for humanitarian purposes. Conclusion. India's leadership in the global AI revolution is a testament to its innovative spirit, skilled workforce, and visionary policies. By addressing challenges and fostering collaboration, India has the potential to not only transform its domestic landscape but also shape the future of AI on a global scale. As 2024-2025 unfolds, India's efforts in AI are set to redefine industries, empower citizens, and pave the way for a more connected and intelligent world. Thanks for watching this video.